got a big event tomorrow and a pimple shows up, what do? Toothpaste, ice, or worse, pop it? Now imagine a tiny sticker that flattens the pimple overnight. Or another sticker that tells you when your sunscreen wears off. This is the power of skincare patches. Today we're going to talk about two game-changing patches. Pimple patches for fast healing. UV patches for smarter sun protection. Our pimple patches are made with hydrocolloid and these acts like a sponge, pulling out fluid and reducing the redness. It heals pimples in 6 to 8 hours while protecting your skin from dirt and bacteria. It also stops you from picking on your skin, which results in no scar. So, we have two variations for you. Salicylic acid pimple patches for deep under the skin pimples. They're thin, transparent and invisible under makeup. We all know sunscreen is important. But when should we reapply? That's where AccuFix's UV patches help. Simply stick the patch on your skin, apply SPF, and when it's time to reapply, the patch will turn purple. They're waterproof, discreet, and perfect for anyone with sensitive skin. So, whether you want to treat a pimple that showed up out of nowhere, or you want to know when to reapply your sunscreen, there's a patch for it. Small, smart, and effective. Upgrade your skincare with these patches today.